what we can do, I'll just consider, I'll just take it the latest release of this one and taking the 3.2.2 latest one and just download it. So let's download it. Just go to this website and you can just download from the mirror image and anywhere from here. Now the another part what we need to do, I need to extract this and we'll do the complete setup, and I will show you after running one or two commands, and then we will discontinue the today's session, and from tomorrow onwards we will dig into the programming architecture, programming steps of Spark, how we can write the program, how the program will be compiled and all these things, and then we'll start that from tomorrow onwards we'll start the RDD section. So that is the most important topic, and it's a highly demanding highly advantageous and highly useful for you if you don't have any idea about the Spark. And those who are working, I will like to suggest they can also join and share their views, and we'll try to answer whatever the best of our efforts. You can write me on dwarkaeducation@gmail.com as well. So let's start with I think it will take 1 or 2 minutes to download the package. So till then we can discuss about one more thing, the pre-installation steps of this Spark. So at least your system should have the Java version. So if you're working in 3.1.0, so the minimum much better. So mkdir, I'm just creating Spark cd Spark. Okay, so here what we can do, we can just download this same path that we are doing here. Let me just download this one. Let me just paste it and press enter. So it will take hardly a few minutes, so let's just wait for the completion of this download, and then we'll set up and start the Spark. It's taking a little bit time because the network is little I think in evening time the internet will be little bit slow, so let's just wait for a few minutes. So it's going to just complete, almost completed. Okay, now it's complete. Etc. Next we have Spark. So let's just extract this. After accepting, we'll get in folder. We'll go to the bin folder, and here I told you we have the two files, so I'm just running the Spark shell here. So if you will see, I'm able to run Spark. First of all, when we run this, it will be just creating some uh, Spark. If you'll see it when before starting it, it will show some Spark Scala version. So what exactly this one is? It will just giving me the Scala version, and after that I'm executing the Spark, but it will show me here Scala. So the point is, I told you in Spark here. If I'll show you here, we have these are the different languages supporting files. So this one is the compiler. I can say Spark compiler that will compile for the R. This one is a Spark compiler that will compile the Python files. This one is a Spark compiler that will compile the Scala files. This will the Spark submit that will be used for the Java. This will be Spark submit for SQL files. So same way you can use the Docker file as well, and the fast Spark, and this one is used for executing whatever the example files will be mentioned in the folder. So we'll come and let me just show you one by one. So right now I have installed Spark, and now